Hey guys, it is going on close to 6, I believe, and it's starting to kind of light snow right now. All this is a mixture of snow and ice. It's a little slippery. This is insane. We're supposed to get in the teens. I'll do a little quick video here. The tree is frozen. Everything's frozen. I have a few snapdragons around that tree, and I tried, so I got a bag on one. The other two I tried to put a bag on, and it's just, I touched it and it just crumbled. It's like frozen to the core. So I was like, okay, they're probably not going to live. But yeah, all my poor branches. Let's see, walk out here without falling. All my bushes. Hopefully I won't have problems with those. That one kind of fell over. Yeah, luckily we have not had any tree breakage. Thank goodness. The little palm tree is frozen. It's frozen like crazy. Oh, and it's breaking too. Wow. Some of it's starting to break. Yeah, that's how cold it is right now. Hopefully that'll all fall out and it'll be okay. One can hope. But yeah, I bet you that whole street has ice on it. So yeah, going back in. Bye y'all. Hey guys, thought I'd show everybody what our front yard looks like with all this snow. So I just opened up the garage, and there's this tells you how deep it is. So here's my hand. So a good, what, 5-6 inches? Just white solid mass. Now we have ditches, so you can't even tell there's a ditch there. Oh man. I think we're supposed to stay in the 20s today, so none of this is really gonna thaw, I don't think. Oh man, pretty white snow. Hey, you want to see how deep the snow is? Alright, check this out. Oh! Oh. Yep. Whew. Some deep stuff right there.